Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Canva. Canva is a design graphic platform that allows users to create media graphic, posters, or any other visual content. It's available online and it's available on the web and the mobile. So let's start how I will show you how to do it. Okay. First, you will have to search for Canva. And then the first one on the list that shows up, you can click on it, or you can just type the address www.canva.com. It's this one. Okay, so you click on Canva. First thing first, you will have to sign up. You're going to sign up using your Google account. If you already signed in before, you can click on here. Okay. If you haven't signed up with Canva before, you will have to click on sign up with Google. And then you will have to point on your account on Google. And then it will open up your Canva. Okay, so you can design anything using this. I've been using this before, so you can see that there are some of my works. These ones that you can see, if you scroll down, these are all templates that you can use. Okay, if you already make something, you can click on all your design. Okay, if you want to create something new, let's start with recommended for you, and then you can choose. For your work, you will have to create a poster, so you have to choose the one that says poster. Okay, so you click on that one. That's a template for poster, and it will take you to the template. There are a lot of options you can choose. This will already come up with the pictures and with the text that you can always edit. So I'm going to just choose, I just choose this one. Oh yeah, remember that some of the options, the template here, are paid templates. So be careful, you will have to choose the one that says free. Yeah. Okay, once you choose the one that you like, I chose this one, you can always click on it and then you can change. This is the options for the fonts that comes up with it. So this is the size of the font, this is the type of the font, and this is the color. Okay, this is for making it bold, italic, or change the alignment. Right now, it's center on the box, not center on the page, but center on the text box. You can see that there's a line around it. Okay, so you can just double click on it, and then you can just delete. You highlight and then press delete on your keyboard. The text deleted. What if you don't want to delete? You made mistakes. This is a button that will help you. This is the undo button. If you click on undo, it will cancel the last action that you did. Okay. Yeah, let's try it again. I'm going to delete, and instead I'm going to type digital recap, for example. Then I will choose this part. I'm going to make this bigger. I can just point to the lines that goes around the text box. And then just can make it bigger. Now, this one, I want this to change the position. So this is like an image that already there because it's based on the template I chose. So I just click on it and then I can choose the position. I can move it backward. I can move this one backward. Oops. Yeah. Okay, so you can change position just by clicking on an object on the poster. You can change it. Okay. Okay, so I want to start with digital etiquette. For example, it includes and put